Number 35 in your classwork for a right triangle trig. We'll want to evaluate the value of sine of alpha. So we know that we have a right triangle where our value for cosine theta is given by 9 over 41. So if we choose one of these angles, since they're both acute angles, they're less than 90 degrees, let's just choose this angle up top here. Let's label that alpha. So if if cosine of alpha is equal to 9 over 41, if we know that any cosine function is given by adjacent over hypotenuse, then our side length next to alpha has to be equal to 9, and our hypotenuse is going to be equal to 41. So in order to find sine of alpha, we're going to want to know the value of this side length here, which is our opposite. Because sine of alpha is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. So if we find our opposite using Pythagorean theorem, then we can evaluate sine of alpha. So using Pythagorean theorem, we know that our hypotenuse squared, so that's 41 squared, is equal to 9 squared plus our opposite side squared. So then we have opposite squared is equal to 41 squared minus 9 squared. Taking the square root of that, our opposite side is equal to 40. So now our sine of alpha is equal to 40 over 41.